सुप्रीम कोर्टान 88 मायनिंग लिजांचे दुसरे रिन्यूअल रद्द केल्ले। या आदेशा आड 19 नोव्हेंबर 2019 गोंय सरकारान रिव्ह्यू पिटिशन घाल्ले। मंगळारा सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे दोन जुईज NV रामण्णा आणि दीपक गुप्ता हांचे खंडपीठा मुखार ही रिव्ह्यू याचिका इन चेंबर दाखल पूर्व सुनावणेक आयली। असिस्टंट सॉलिसिटर जनरल विक्रमजीत बॅनर्जीन गोयच्या मायनिंग प्रकरणात अश्योच याचिका सरन्यायाधीशा मुखार सुनावणेक आसात म्हणपाची कल्पना दोगांय जुईजांक दिली। त्यांना जुईजांनी सरकाराची रिव्ह्यू याचिका डिलिस्ट करून 21 एप्रिलाक मिनेरांच्या याचिकांबरोबर टॅग केली।
It was mentioned in the open court. There was no hearing today, but it was taken up. It was mentioned in the open court before Justice Ramanna and Justice Gupta, before whom actually the review was placed in the afternoon session. But at 10:30, the Additional Solicitor General of India, Mr. Banerjee, mentioned it, and on his request, the court has passed an order that it should be tagged with the SLP filed by Vedanta, and it is supposed to come on 21st of April 2020.
Okay. वांगडा येतले.
Yeah, will be heard together.
ते मॅटर खंयच्या स्टेजीचेर आसा वेदांताचे?
That is at the stage of filing of replies.
Okay.
Replies will have to be filed. So that is at that stage it is fixed. It will be coming up.
पण डिले खूप जातलो, तुम्ही रिक्वेस्ट बी काय करून एडिशनल बेगीन मातशें घेवपाक जाय आसलें म्हणून.
See, the court has already fixed the date of 21st April, and that date is now fixed on the last date of hearing. So today it is not fixed. Possible to change that date. It is already fixed.
मिनेर कंपन्यांनी घाल्ले 88 मायनिंग लिजांविशीं याचिका 21 एप्रिलाक सुनावणेक येवपाच्यो आसात। दोनूय याचिका एकाच वेळार सुनावणेक घेतले। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी।